Welcome back to the final episode of our series aimed at turning your expired listing into a successful sale. We've covered a lot of ground, from pricing to staging and marketing. Today, we're focusing on your next steps for relisting your home for a successful sale. First, analyze why your listing may have expired. Was it the price, the marketing, or maybe something else? Reassess the market because conditions can change rapidly, and it's crucial to have accurate information. Consider refreshing your home with upgrades or renovations that can make your property more appealing. Small improvements like a fresh coat of paint, updated fixtures, or landscaping can make a big difference. Update all of your marketing materials. New photos, updated virtual tours, and revamped property descriptions can make relisting appear fresh and more appealing. Set a competitive price using recent sales data and comparable properties. The right price can attract serious buyers quickly. If you're changing agents, screen potential new agents carefully to ensure they align with your needs and goals. Review your listing documents and consider the best time to relist your property. Sometimes timing can vary by season, but often it's about hitting the market on the right day of the week. You're now armed with a wealth of information to turn your expired listing into a success. This concludes our video series aimed at helping homeowners like you. If you found value in this series, let us know in the comments and share it with anyone who might benefit. We wish you the best in your home selling journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips and advice, and thanks again for watching.